EasyJet to Glasgow!
This is Gatwick.
Right, stand in the camera.
This is Peter, film me.
Well, then I can't film the plane if I film you.
Okay, so this is London Gatwick. Oh, well, it's next to Crawley. Well, so I don't really get it. Peter, film some landing.
Oh wait, there's a car coming.
Yeah.
Alright.
And literally, where's that plane?
Iceland Air.
No, okay. No, because tomorrow we're going on wedding to Rome, so we won't see it tomorrow. Okay, we're probably not gonna.
You got a good ticket.
Yeah. Yeah, well,
Okay.
it's a bit late. Don't finish yet.
I won't. I'll do the.
Yeah.
See them in the distance coming into land. Just about.
It's
It's a
called
bright
London
light.
Gatwick and it's like 20 miles away from London.
Yep. There's the terminal building.
Yeah, I think this is Gatwick South. Well, it doesn't really matter if it's Gatwick South or Gatwick North. We live pretty near. Yeah.
And
we're getting-
while we're waiting for the landing, there's unfortunately, the immigration detention centre for people who are waiting deportation.
Film!
Okay, you don't need to knock my arm.
I need to smack you. Otherwise you won't film. Obviously there's barbed wire, so you can't climb over. That's Iceland Air. No, that's Ryan.
Ryanair.
There's so many like unique names. And there are even 2 more landings.
Not that unique. I mean, the Iceland Air is unusual, but the Ryanair and EasyJet, there are lots of